guys, this is Ariel and today we're going to be making dollhouse beds. First you're going to need wood or a soap box. Then you're going to need fabric or a rectangle piece of paper. Then I've got just a few other stuff to decorate it if I want. First you're going to start with wrapping it, with putting glue on it. Then, once you put the glue on it, you're going to put the fabric on. So, I'm going to put this pretty paper on. I'm going to, I shouldn't put the glue on the edges. Anyway, I'm going to put some glue on the edges because I want it to stick into the edges, like that. And then I'm just going to fold that. It doesn't really matter what glue you're doing, it just matters that you get glue. Now I'm going to take my scissors, sorry I didn't mention that, and cut off the extra ends. I'm just going to be really careful here because I don't want to cut off the bits of the glue. It will stick eventually. As you can see, it's not sticking the best. But yeah, it's a stick. You might need something heavy to push against it if it doesn't always stick. Now she's doing the other side. Now I'm just going to snip off the last edges. By the way, it's Esco behind the camera.
Look, we went under the table.
I'm back. Okay. Now I'm going to, once you've done that, you want to get something for a pillow, because who likes a bed without pillows? Not me, but I can do it. I usually find myself waking up not on my pillow. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to kind of roll it. You can use either fabric or paper. That's going to be one of my first pillows. Okay, just glue the last bit on.
It's fine if it's small.
Yeah. It's your choice on how big your bed is and how big your pillow is. And basically everything. Okay. Just gonna stick that. They pretty much will stick. Okay. Now I'm going to take a piece of fabric. So I'm just going to take this and snip that on, as you can see.
Very well.
And I'm not going to speed up any of this because if you're doing it, you might have to pause the video. But I don't want you to pause it, so.
But it's fine if you need to.
Yep.
If we're going too fast.
Roll it up. I'm kind of happy I didn't use that because now I don't have to
Do extra sticking.
No, not extra sticking.
That one actually goes better.
Then actually.
So I'm just just putting that on a corner. Maybe you just can do one more big one in the front.
If you want. I'm not sure that's me. Okay, so I'm going to take some more glorious
Fabric.
and then I'm gonna snip the same amount of the glass because I really like how that idea.
And the size.
But you don't have to do exactly the same colors. You can choose if this can be fabric or this can be this could be paper. So everything can be paper, but I would suggest fabric is the easiest and it also looks better.
We use scrap paper for the bottom part. So, what did we do? I don't think you're right doing it in the front.
I'm gonna put some ones
Are you going to use your huge teddy bear fabric?
No, I think I'm just gonna make it. I think I need to make a nail color of this. It doesn't look right. I feel like if you can't sew, then this is also another good idea.
And even normal Grit stick works to glue it down. You don't need like special fabric glue.
Yeah, fabric glue would be a better idea. We do have that, but we don't use it now. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this bit. I'm gluing this bit so like the rest and sticks onto it. That's a really good idea because like then the end doesn't like roll off, which I don't like.
No, it's not.
This string. Okay. Now to the covers. I'm gonna use this really cute teddy bear one.
Just cut it into the shape you need.
You really don't need to make as much pillows, and you don't have to make covers if you don't want to. But
And you can just do like pattern paper over the top. Like you did. Or even plain paper. And then you can just color over it. It's fine if it goes over the edge a bit because that's like what normal bits will look.
okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna glue like
The inside.
the inside, but I'm just gonna glue the edges. So like you know best are kind of like
Gaggy.
baggy. I'm gonna pick up the right one. So everything here. Perfect. You know, it's really good. Yeah, I like it.
Can you turn it
By the
around
way-
to show us?
This
What are we doing next?
okay, this can be your final ending, but I'm gonna put this piece of ribbon on the opposite colors.
Cute. That's pretty cute. Is it sticking on right?
I don't think it's actually sticking onto the fabric. Oh my goodness, maybe the sides. I'm just gonna.
Maybe you just need to use the sides.
I think I'll just trim the sides. So.
It got stuck to it.
You'll probably have most of this, but if you don't have fabric, you're probably going to have everything for this. And this is full of tons of household surprise. Anyway, click the like button and subscribe. Even if I already said that, just make sure you do. And see you next time.